Hello, this is part 2 of basic programming. We're going to go in a little more depth on basic programming. So right here, as you can see, this is the program from the last video right here. And it's just very simple. Now we're going to add a little bit. So what we're going to do, we need to delete all this, start over. Okay. So here we go, as we have our identity numbers. So 10. We want to put input. So we're basically telling it that we want lines, we want input, we want something to type. Then we got to put in parentheses. Why don't we say, how about hello, comma, what do you want to do? Period. Let's just do A. Do you want to check? How about this? Check bank account. Just text. It's not really doing anything like that, but it's just text. Just an example. Okay, or we can do, and then we'll put B, move on to something else. So, wait, hold on. That's right. Something else. Period. Now we need to put let's just put a space so it's nice and even space. Then we need to put a comma, DF, and then the money sign. Basically what it's saying is to record the data that's put in. So now we need to put another line, identity number, right here. Okay, now we need to put if DF and then the money sign, if the input equals, we need to put space, equals, then we need to put parentheses, capital A, parenthesis, then we need to tell it, then print what we want to print, or you can do, but right now we're just going to do print. Then print, how about this, your balance is $1 million. I need to put quotation and then quotation. Okay. But then we also need to put identify and then put if DF money sign equals capital B, then print how about okay, we will do something else. Alright, and then we'll just have 40 input. Do you want to do this? We don't have anything right now up. It's just an example showing you what it is, and then I'll explain everything I've done. Then we need to put the DF money sign on the comma. Alright, so basically what we're saying is we need number 10 as our identity. So now, and then we're telling it input. So we want there to be a line so we can put input. And then we print what we want it to say. When you have input, then you don't have to click the print. So you have a quotation, and then what you want to do, like, hello, what do you want to do? And then A, check bank account, B, moves to something else. So basically that's just text. It doesn't mean anything. But A, we're just telling the person that's doing the program. We put A equals bank account. Just do that. We're just telling the person, if they type A, they're going to check their bank account. If they type B, they're going to move on to something else. Okay, and we put a space here so between the end of the text and then the quotation mark, so when you put the answer, there's a space in between. Now we had to put a space from the quotation mark, and then we had to put a comma, and then we had to put DF money sign. So that's basically saying record the data that was entered. Then we have to rename the line right here. Now we have to put if DF recorded data space equals space quotations and then A. So if capital A, if the input equals capital A in all caps, then we have to put then print in all caps and space print this. And 30, so we put 30, but what if they push B? Then we have to name it the next line 30. You can go by any number. You could go by 2 million, 4 million. It doesn't matter. And it can't be the same. Say I need to add, I could have this 34 and it'd still work. So I could put if DF input equals quotation B, then print, okay, we'll do something else. And then the 40 input, what do you want to do? Do you want to do this? It's just to show the next line. So basically, right here in these two lines right here, I gave it an option. So now let's go back here and run it. So we need to go to example. Hello, what do you want to do? A, check bank account. B, move to something else. Here, I'll highlight it for you real quick. So let's type, hold on, I messed it up. Here. Let's capital A. So check, it says your balance is $1 million. Do you want to do this? But we don't have anything set up for that, so it won't work. But now I'll try to show you what happens when you do B. So let me just type in, let's run it again. Hello. So let's type in capital B. Okay, we'll do something else. Do you want to do this? So there it works. It's easy. Now this is just a stupid little program I made. I named it FBI Hacker, but it doesn't do anything. It's just text. I'll show you how I did it. Type in hacking FBI security. It's just text, like I said. Nothing's happening. Type in a 1-digit number to continue. So let's type in 1. The password 1 was correct. What do you want to do? How about we drain their bank account? Do you want to? Yes. I'll do the opposite every time. That was a good idea for your balance. That was a very good idea. Your balance is that number. So I need to put a money sign. Do you want to mess with the computer system? Yes. Then I'll do all no's. Okay. I do have to warn you, this is dangerous. Do you want to shut down security? B, do you want to steal secrets? This is, like I said, this is all fake. Nothing's going to happen. So I need to push A. Hacking FBI security system. System failing. Computer failing. And then this is just, and it means it crashed. I'm not 100% finished with it. Now I'll do everything the opposite. So let's reopen it. Let's type in 2. The password 2 is incorrect. Restart program. So I need to put run on. Okay, run. So let's type in 1 since we know that's not going to work. How about we drain an account? No. Okay, that was probably a good idea. Do you want to mess with the computer system? No. Okay. Do you want to shut down security or do you want to steal secrets? Like I said, this is all fake. Nothing's going to happen. So B. So looking through secrets file, loading files. Not finished, but there you go. So there's a basic tutorial on how to create a simple program. If you'd like, I will show you that program real quick that I built. So let's open it up, and there it is. There it is. That's it. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and watch my videos many more times. Thank you.